The VOTARY Intense Night Kit is a 5-step routine that has everything you need to get a great night's sleep and wake up with plump, smooth skin. This is our skin rejuvenation kit. It's perfect for you if your skin is a little bit dry, if you've got a loss of firmness or unwanted signs of aging like fine lines. So I'm going to show you what's in the box. Of course, because it's VOTARY, you've got the rose geranium cleansing oil. This is a 30ml. It's a great size for trialing or for traveling with. And of course, you have a full-size VOTARY face cloth. That's the first step in your routine, is that you use the cleansing oil and the face cloth to give your skin a really thorough cleanse. And I really recommend at night doing a double cleanse. You don't need to use 2 separate cleansers. You can simply double cleanse with this cleansing oil. So you do one cleanse to remove any makeup, any SPF, any pollution from the skin, and make sure your skin is thoroughly prepped and prepared for the next stage of your skincare. So step 2 is the VOTARY Intense Eye Oil. And this is a mini size, as you can see, of the Intense Eye Oil. It's a 2ml, but that will last you a really long time. And this Intense Eye Oil has retinoid in it to help smooth fine lines and plump up the skin around the eye. But it also has tuberose extract and sweet iris extract, both of which firm and brighten the skin around the eye. It comes in an adorable little roller ball, which feels really lovely and cooling and soothing around the eye. Step 3 is our best-selling Intense Night Oil. Again, this is a 15ml. This contains retinoid as well. And the retinoid really helps to plump up your skin, to encourage the turnover of cells and to leave it looking really radiant when you wake up. Because it's VOTARY, we've blended the retinoid with beautiful natural plant oils like tomato seed oil and rosehip oil, and they really nourish the skin and work really beautifully with the retinoid to leave your skin looking its very best. Step 4 is the Intense Overnight Mask. This is a beautiful overnight treatment for your skin. It cocoons your skin, it comforts it, it softens it. It has natural plant oils, but it also has hyaluronic acid and oat kernel flour to really soften and soothe the skin. It also contains narcissus extract, which helps to brighten the skin, so your skin really looks restored and radiant in the morning. The last step, this had to go in the Intense Night Kit box, is the famous VOTARY pillow spray. Before your head hits the pillow, spray the pillow spray at a distance of about 30 centimeters to allow the fragrance to really disperse into your bedroom. It's 100% natural. It's essential oils like lavender, chamomile and rose, and it really soothes and calms you just before you go to bed. So that's it. That's the VOTARY Intense Night Kit. It's your 5-step routine to wake up looking restored and radiant. I hope you love it.